The best thing about the 2005-2009 Mustang is that these cars share parts with every single Mustang built from '05 until 2014. Lucky for us, that means you can fit any steering wheel you want into this car. In this case, I am using a 2014 Boss 302 steering wheel, and if you want something like this that gives you a real nice OEM Plus look, you can find one of these on eBay used for about $100, $150. I got lucky. I got this one for $100. Pretty good condition. All you need to do is clean the Alcantara, maybe sand it down a little bit to get it be really smooth, and then work on the plastic bits, and that's it. I'm not gonna take it completely apart because it was a pain in the ass to get the clock spring to go back in, but to take this thing apart, all you need to do is take off some rubber flaps right about here, rubber flap right there. There's an 8mm bolt. You take those out, you can take off your airbag, and then you will use a Torx bit to get these off. This is what connects your horn. And then after that, you will have access to this giant nut. Using that, you can take off your wheel, and that's how you can switch your wheel. Keep in mind, this is a 2006 Mustang, and I'm using a 2014 Boss 302 Alcantara steering wheel. But this also works with the leather steering wheel, the plastic steering wheel, any steering wheel. Once your surfaces are clean, sandpaper and water is the best way to get all of these scratches and grooves. And I bought these used, and even when they came in the mail, there were some scratches on them. This plus filler primer and another sand will get them smooth. Got some new carbon fiber pieces. These carbon pieces, you can get them on Amazon for about $10, $15. I don't know if they're real carbon, but who cares, right? So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so all the pieces have been wet sanded. This one I can tell I painted the best when I first did this because not that much paint came off here. I was really thorough with this piece. Those pieces, not so much. But now we're gonna move on to painting. And to paint this, I'm going to use semi-gloss 2x Rust-Oleum. And we're gonna go with a 2x gloss clear. With this, it won't be too bright of a gloss to where the steering wheel pieces will blind you, and this clear will keep it looking shiny and OEM. So let's build a little painter's box and get started. Alright, once you set up your makeshift paint booth, you can just get a cardboard box, tape it on the sides so the overspray doesn't go, lay down a trash bag, you can start spraying. That's it for coat one. Make sure you use a mask. Oh my God. I know y'all got plenty of these from COVID, so double mask. Keep that paint out of your lungs, yo. All right, I clear coated them one last time. Got them looking nice and shiny. This is the fun part. You add the carbon. I think I'm gonna use a heat gun, get them to bend, and we'll stick those on, put it back on the car. As you guys can see, the carbon is laid out into the pieces. I use the heat gun to make sure they really stick, make sure they really fold. It looks good. If you do buy your wheel used, it might not come with these volume pieces. You can buy them on American Muscle for like $5 each. They just clip into there. And then this is a Celine logo. I just bought it because it matches the interior of the car, it matches the carbon. But they sell a bunch of little caps. Mine was chipping off anyway, so I just thought I'd replace it. The easiest way to make Alcantara smooth and fluffy like factory is to use sandpaper. Get some sandpaper and just go ahead and sand all the parts of your steering wheel to make sure they're smooth again. And then clean it with a microfiber and some soapy water. Oh yeah, and that final product is just awesome, guys. You got the carbon fiber, you got the Alcantara, the suede, it feels great. The finish came out so good. On the steering accents, it looks much better than the first time I did this. Oh yeah. Now this looks like a Mustang steering wheel. Much better than the stock one.